Voices rising, echoes through the night, awakening our dreams, shining so bright. We'll never stop, with hearts entwined. On this floor, our souls aligned.
Now you may take control. This rhythm feels our soul.
Till we'll rise, let the night unfold. Underneath the stars, our story's told. The bass drops low, we come alive. Under neon lights, we start to drive. Feel the rhythm pulse, it's in our veins. Dancing through the night, we break the chains. Hands in the air, we reach it high. Together we rise, let the spirits fly. Lost against moments, we feel so free. In the heart of Berlin, just you and me. Cool, charming. Let the rhythm be your guide. Feel the pulse, let go of pride. Hands up high, we're feeling bold. In the rise of the rhythm, we find gold. In the heat of the night, we feel the beat rise. Bodies move, reaching for skies. Freedom calls in every sound. And the bass keeps thumping, we'll never back down. Let the rhythm take you higher. Feel the energy ignite your fire. And the young dreams will come alive. In the possibility we will thrive.
Now music take control. This rhythm feels our soul. Now music take control. This rhythm feels our soul.
In the heart of the night, we hit the floor with every thump. We just want more. Voices intertwine, are simply loud. Under the strobe lights, we stand proud. Feel the rhythm in your core. Rise up higher, let spirits soar. Dance it out, all fears erased. In the powerful pulse, we find a place. In the power of the night, where the beats alive, we're breaking free. Feel that hot drive with every step. We light the flame, in the rhythm's embrace, we're never the same.
Now music take control. This rhythm feels our soul. Now music take control. This rhythm feels our
Ignite as the night begins. Feel the rush, let the magic in. Shadows blend with color and lights. We're transforming, ready for flight. In this pulsing crowd, we unite. Voices soar, our spirits ignite. With every beat, we break the mold. In the rise of rhythm, we are bold.